Ano na ba ngayon ang relationship ninyo ni Vibery?
We've been closer. Hindi ko alam kung bakit, pero nung sinabi namin sa isa't isa kung anong feelings yun, yung parang wala nang kahiyaan.
Alam ko, may nararamdaman ka para kay Vibery. Pinag-usapan na natin ito.
Opo.
Pero napapansin ko, ang pagiging malapit ninyo physically ni Vibery, hindi masama to get to know a person really, really well. Pero alam mo rin dapat ang limitasyon mo.
Opo. If I'm still here in your house, Kuya, I don't want to be her boyfriend. I just want to know her better, and I don't know what will happen to me when I get out of here. What if magkakagap kami or something else? What if kung lalabas ako dito, babalik na lang ako sa Italy? Of course, mamimiss ko siya.
Marco,
Yes.
palagi kong sinasabi ito sa mga teen housemates ko. Minsan ka lang magiging bata. Pero, Marco, hindi porke teenager ka,
Yeah, I know.
meron ka ng lisensya to do whatever you want.
Yeah, I know, Kuya. I'm sorry. I already heard this from a lot of people, and hindi pa rin pumapasok sa ulo ko. So, I think that I need more time to understand this.
Hindi naman ito madali. Pero ang mahalaga, you are trying.
Paglabas ng confession room, pinili munang mapag-isa ni Marco.
Marco? Ano nangyari? Bakit? Baka nahihiya ka lang. Hindi. Abot na lang. Gusto mo mag-alone muna?
Basta hindi po.
Ayaw mo muna magsalita.
Just
Para mas mapanatag si Marco, binigyan muna ng oras ng girls si Marco at mga boys.
Whatever it is, we're all here for you, yeah?
yeah, I know.
Always.
We talked in the confession room about Vibery, limitation, other things, of course. I don't know that when I get out of here, mapahamak siya.
You shouldn't think about what the other people are thinking about you.
Yeah, but I don't care
It's-
about me. I care about her.
Yeah,
Hindi ko sinasadya, but it still happened.
Marco,
Mother is good, but you just want the best for that people, for that one. And even if you want their best, mapapahamak lang siya.